We are going to see the physics in pizza. Pizza was created in Italy and later it became the most popular food in the world. There are many differences between the pizza that was made in electric ovens and fire bricks ovens. A Russian physicist living in Rome made research and find out why wood ovens gives perfect pizza, why not electric ovens. Andre is a scientist who's working at Italy's CRN. So he had a conversation with the pizza makers about the oven temperature, and he was interested to know how the heat flow between the brick base of the oven and the pizza dough. Later, it was found that the correct balance of heat that is flowing into the base of the pizza through the conduction from the bricks below, and using radiant heat to warm the toppings. And he also came to know the magic formula from the local pizzaliers that the wood fired oven was 2 minutes at 330 degrees Celsius, and he calculated the temperature where the dough touched the bricks would be 210 degrees. When it comes to electric oven is made of steel. As we know that metals have higher thermal conductivity than the wood. So the pizza which is around 300 degrees will be much higher so that it will not give a perfect pizza. To achieve the perfect underdough temperature, the electric oven needs to be reduced to 230 degrees. But the problem is the toppings will not be cooked. In firewood oven, it provided radiant heat to cook the toppings. But in electric oven, the problem is it will lower the ambient temperature, which means there is now less radiation to cook the toppings. To avoid this problem, the amount of radiant heat emitted is subjected to Steve Boltzmann law, which describes its proportionate relationships to the absolute temperature of any particular body. Now the temperature is dropped to 100 degrees in electric oven. This means that the toppings need to be cooked twice times compared to that required in a wood fired oven. But still it didn't have the authentic taste. From this it is clear that the electric ovens changes the sensory properties of the pizza toppings, but wood fired ovens don't. This is why wood fired oven pizzas taste better than the electric oven pizzas. Nextly, I will explain you the physics behind why food still stick to the pan after we cooked. Cooking oil sometimes suddenly retreat from the center of a pan, leaving dry patches. Because of this, the food will start to stick to the pan. Scientists made research and found out the physics behind this. Alexander and his colleagues made an experiment to find out the reason behind this. What they did is they took a non-stick pan which was coated with the sunflower oil of 1.5 milliliters thick. They recorded this with a overhead focused camera. From this, they discovered that uneven heating caused a process known as thermocapillary convection, which can draw oil towards the edges of a pan. In their test, the oil heated up faster in the center of the pan. Surface tension tends to decrease in liquids as temperature rises, which leads to a gradient in surface tension across the pan. The stronger tension toward the edges pull the less cohesive oil at the center outwards and deform the surface of the layer. So this is why the food stick to the pan after we cooked. So this is the physics behind this.